this household rests on your shoulder. I feel very bad whenever I consider your inability to take care of this family the way you should as the only son. Why on earth would you fold your hands and then watch your mother sleep with a man almost every day?
Wait. Are you sure of all these things you are telling me now?
Are you just saying it for the first time?
Wait. This sounds so outrageous. I suspected his immoral movements with Mama.
Keep suspecting.
But the fact was no evidence to prove it. I promise him, if I get him with my bare hands, I'm going to skin him alive. And I promise him nobody is going to save him from my hand. Nobody!
How do you want to get him when you are not always at home? All you do is wake up in the morning, take your bath, go to the shop, and then later in the night you hang out with your friends. Is that how you're going to catch him or kill him? See, you better wake up from your slumber. Better wake up before it's too late.
My sister, see, I'm very sorry for not reading to your expectation. But as for Mazokwe, leave him for me. I'm going to make sure I dealt with that man mercilessly. See, please.
Naza baby.
Hey! Favor, this is not your hair. Any latest gist?
I spotted you and your husband to be when I was at the salon yesterday.
Hey!
Immediately I came out to greet you people. I didn't see you again.
Sorry, my dear. You know, Samson is making adequate plans for our traditional marriage, which is around the corner. Yes. We actually went to see one of my uncles yesterday.
This guy is actually serious, so. He's not like those ones that came and promised heaven and earth. Then after tasting the forbidden fruits, they ran away.
I thank God Samson has come to stay. God, I thank you.
So very soon, you'll be addressed as Mrs. Samson.
You can say that again, baby.
Hey!
I'm so happy, seriously.
Wow, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
I did that. Thank you very much.
That reminds me. Do you know Annabelle has gone back to John's house?
Are you joking? This is
Joking.
Unbelievable.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Is she out of her senses?
I don't know what is wrong with that girl. I was shocked when I got the news at the salon yesterday.
Hi. Favor. I can't believe this is your joke. I can't believe it. I need to see with my 2 eyes.
Then let's go over to her place and confirm.
You mean we should go now?
Yes, now. But first, I'm hungry.
So you want to eat before we go? You're not a stranger now. The kitchen is there.
Mrs. Samson, come and give me food, Biko.
Ijeoma.
Yes.
Ijeoma.
Yes.
Fire on the mountain, oh. It's good to burn you. I don't have time to argue with you this morning. Just tell me the truth. Who was that guy I saw you with yesterday?
I don't know him all. He was only asking me direction to Mr. Konkwa's house. That's all.
Directions?
Yes.
Don't on GPS. Direction to Mr. Koko's house. I've been hearing rumors, so. They say you not give it out now. Like the sheer flyer.
Jackson, don't insult me. What kind of nonsense is this? I don't know that guy. Or if you want me to swear with anything, I will do. Just believe me.
Not today. Swear where? All the juju, they don't hide. They are high. If you swear that they are not even seeing you. Before they drink shinap, now they drink champagne. They are high. So forget about the swear. Well, if you want to do, you will do. Nobody will know. Listen, if you know you don't love me anymore, just tell me. Love no be load. If you tire you, you drop them. They know the die put. Eh? I was thinking it's just you and I, but it's as if it's you and another. So if you're not ready anymore, you tell me.
You have to believe me.
So I want to swear. Deceive on herself.
I hope you're not planning to leave me for another girl.
If I want to leave you, I don't have to plan it. I'll just leave you.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's go now.
Let's go. Just so you miss me, go here.
I miss you. Let's go.
I'll be doing things anyhow. I want to love you.
So you came back to this house again, Annabelle. I couldn't believe it when I heard it.
Obviously, you've seen it for yourself.
Hey, babe, this is not ordinary. I believe you are diabolically influenced. This is not love at all. What joy have you to be beaten by someone that claims he loves you every day? What joy?
This is not marriage. This is not love. It is infatuation. Annabelle, it's high time you leave. Quit this thing you called marriage. There are so many men out there that will take good care of you.
I wonder.
Pamper you, treat you like a woman. They will pet you. This is what you need. These are the kind of men you need in your life. Annabelle, do you want to die in John's hands? Wait. Do you want John to kill you?
Now you go die. Obviously, you are close to your grave.
God forbid. What kind of thing is that?
All thanks to God, you don't have a suitor. Very soon, you'll be visibly in my shoes.
Me?
I pray for to treat you well. If not, now people like una they run, they come out from marriage.
Annabelle, I don't understand.
Annabelle, let's say the truth here. The truth is that you have no fortune with this guy at all.
So sorry. What are you insinuating?
Quit this prison you call home and get a meaningful life.
My friends, thanks for coming. Obviously, you've overstayed your welcome. Please, you can start leaving.
Hey, wait. Hey, we should leave your house because of this piece of advice we're giving to you.
Do you realize you're in my husband's house? Then what if my husband comes out? Please! Start leaving.
Annabelle, I don't believe you. Saying we should leave your house because we came to advise you.
Go. Also,
Annabelle,
you don't want to go. Cherry?
No.
Cherry, I'm coming. Don't leave.
You will look for us.
let's go.
Hey. Papa, I know these are your handwork. So you want to use my friends to take me out of this marriage? You failed. Mama, Papa, you didn't try at all. You failed. Okay. I'm afraid. I don't want to die in your house.
I do not understand. What are you talking about?
I had a dream.
I know that someday soon, God in His infinite mercies will bless us with the fruits of the womb. And I pray He will give us 3 beautiful daughters.
And a boy, right?
No one. I'd love to have only pretty girls in my house. Girls as beautiful as you are.
I prefer we have 4. 3 girls and a boy, but I'm making of you.
No. This is my empire. Whatever I decide becomes a norm. I want pretty girls, no boy, not even one.
I want a boy as my first child.
No boy.
A boy.
No boy. No boy.
Obin.
Keep quiet.
No.
Shut up, are you stupid? Are you mad? How dare you talk when I'm talking? How dare you? How dare you dare to talk when I'm talking? Listen, That's just a mere dream. It shouldn't get you all worked up. You have nothing to worry about. Okay? I've made you several promises. I will never lay my hands on you again. You are my wife. My beloved wife. May I be doomed if I ever beat you again.
Please don't say that. I believe you. I do.
Okaro! I'm sure you must have heard my voice. Why are you shouting? Good morning. Why am I shouting? What is good about this morning, Okaro? Oh, the money is good to you because you have succeeded in taking away my daughter from me. Is it not true? I've been waiting to see whether you will come to apologize for your nephew's misbehaviors. But I found out you are not wise to know what you would have done.
Miss Ibe, I'm so sorry, please. I'm so sorry. Calm down. Let's reason like men, please. Just calm down.
Forget about your stupid reasoning. See, Okoro, I have come here to warn you. If anything happens to my daughter, in fact, I will release my anger on you first of all. Because you are the elder I handed her over to. Starting from now, the life of my daughter is in your hands. Take care of her.
It hasn't gotten to this level. Take it easy, please. Please, take it easy. After all, this boy was not like this at the initial time. I believe something must be wrong somewhere.
What is not ordinary? Let it be ordinary or not. What do you mean something is behind it? Let anything be behind it. I have made my point clear. But listen to me. I will wipe away every member of this family if anything harmful happens to my daughter. I have warned you. Don't do what you should do.
Ibe,
Let anything happen to her.
Why not calm down? Ibe, why not calm down?
No,
there is no need saying that you wipe off the world, everybody away. There is no need. What will I do? Ibe will come and shout on me. I will talk to this boy and he will not even care he will not even listen to me. Even this boy, I've tried my best to see that I control this boy. Still ought to know. What is the meaning of this?
My papa left money in his pockets. Lucky me, it's not so. No problem. What is this? A woman's pants. What is a woman's pants doing in papa's pockets? It's not here, trouser. It's papa's own. What is a woman's pants doing in papa's pockets? Mercy! Mercy! Yes. What is it? So you called me to show me that you got new panties, okay? No, my dear. It's not what you think. I actually got this from Papa's pocket. Papa's pocket? Yes. Look at it. This is a woman's pants. Of course it is. But what is a woman's pants doing in Papa's pocket? My dear, I don't know. Or is it yours? Mine. In Papa's pocket. Is it one? I'm wondering, no. Kissing a panty mine in my pocket, Papa. I don't know. I'm as surprised as you are. Hey!
Mama John. Oria kumono kuya?
Hello, Pamia.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Get you a seat?
No, it's all right.
What's the problem? You're not looking too happy.
Well, Not all that okay. Where is your son, John?
John, he went out with some of his friends.
Oriako, there is one question I want to ask you.
Go ahead.
Okay. Have you summoned John to know why he has joined that gang? Not only that, there is news everywhere that John has started taking weed and tramadol. Maybe that's why he normally acts foolishly with his wife once he gets intoxicated with those hard drugs. Do you know that Miss Dikeh came to my house this morning?
You did?
I'm telling you, issued a threat that he is going to wipe off every living creature within my domain if something harmful happens to his daughter.
Oh.
Just this morning.
What nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? All these things are happening because of John. Well, let him do his worst then. What if I can't kill myself.
John is the root of all these problems we are facing today. Please, Oriakum, advise him to stop taking weed and tramadol before he gets mad.
God forbid. John will not go mad. I know my husband. No. I know the man I am married to. My husband loves me and I love him too. John was never like this. I believe with time everything will come back to normal.
Well, Oriakum, you've heard me. Please do something fast. I'll be on my way.
My husband will not go mad. John will not go mad.
Well, you had better tell him to stop taking weed and tramadol.
He doesn't take tramadol. Mama, you know your son.
Mba, it's Panadol he takes.
Hey! Woman pants in my own pocket. Hey! Hello. No, is that why we are putting these serious faces? I know I owe you people an explanation to this devilish occurrence. Hey!
Papa, this is very shameful. What would my father be doing with a woman's panties?
Oh, worry.
Papa,
You see, every time I've been telling people you should always pray without ceasing. Eh? I know our enemies are at work. You can never get me. Whoever that is behind all this thing. I know my enemies are trying me, but you can never succeed. Hey! Woman pants, my own pocket. I will most surely deal with that person. Hey! I hold me, Mr. Okoye. Mr. Okoye. One person. My daughter, go inside and get me crazy matches.
Okay.
Fast. Hey! The boss is there.
Wait, Papa. You mean to tell me that you don't know anything about this pant?
Bagaju, to God, I swear, I don't know anything about this pant. Whoever that is behind this thing, this pant, this problem, you want to blame problem to my family, you can never succeed. Where is your sister? Be fast, oh!
She's coming.
Hey!
Grace, be fast!
Devil, you can never succeed.
Your uncle Okolo was here earlier today.
I hope there is no problem.
Hey. He said that your in-law visited him and threatened to clear his whole family if you ever touch his daughter again.
Mama, forget about that man. Forget about him. He is such a clown.
This is not a laughing matter. It's a serious subject. He visited him and threatened to wipe off his whole family from the face of the earth, including Mr. Okaro himself. You and I know that your in-law is a very vicious and influential man in this village. Anekuku Obulo, the second one. Rumor has it that you now take weed and tramadol. And of course, after taking it, when you quarrel with your wife, that is what makes you mad. I don't know how comfortable you would feel if you're told that your in-law wiped off the whole family from the face of the earth. How would you feel? Think about it all. Do not bring disgrace upon this family. Biko.
It's okay, Mama. I've heard everything you said. And I make you a promise. I will never lay my fingers on my wife again. But Mama, you all should help me in prayers so I'll be able to stick to this decision.
I have heard you. We will help you in prayers. But you're the one that should be praying for yourself. As you pray for yourself, we end up as supporters club.
Your nagging manners towards me has become the talk of the town. Most times, I feel heard among others. Can we please put an end to all this?
I know exactly how you feel. I understand your predicaments. I know I've been treating you with contempt and disdain. But you know it's not always my fault.
Our relationship is just like cat and dog merge in unison. Would peace, would joy ever be restored into this union?
It's okay. It's okay. I know that someday all these tales of woes will become tales of the past. Cry no more.
The world is against me for loving you. I've seen hell in your hands. Can you prove to my kindred and everyone that has written us off that you're the best man for me? Is it possible you prove to them that God himself designed you for me?
Stop crying. Stop crying. I know that the Lord who started these good tidings will give us the grace to live in peace.
I've been longing to see you and your sister, and I'm glad I met you here.
I hope there's no problem.
Well, let me not really call it a problem now. But there's something, you know me very well, I don't like to talk about people, I don't like to gossip, but this particular issue is getting out of hand, and I think I need to call your attention to it. Are you aware that your father is having an affair with Miss Oma?
My father having an affair with Miss Oma? Chidima's mother?
Exactly.
Tufi Akwa. I am not aware of what you're just telling me.
Well, you're aware now. I want you to talk about it with your sister so that both of you can confront your father. You know the consequences if he's caught. And you know his son and how brutal he is. You understand? You know our community, if he is caught, he will be paraded around this community. And it will be a thing of shame.
Honestly, thank you. Thank you, Noduka. Honestly, my sister and I were not aware of what you just told me. Papa, Mesoma, a widow, Fiakwa. Ha!
What is it?
Can you imagine? Papa is having an affair with Mesoma, Chidimma's mother. You heard me. I said Papa is having an affair with Mesoma, Chidimma's mother.
It's a lie.
Ah, see? What is wrong with you? Where did you get your information from? I saw Noluka on my way. He told me about it. And he advised we talk to Papa before it's too late. Before he brings shame upon us. Noluka. Then it might be true. Because the Noluka I know does not talk anyhow. Papa knows me. Hey! Remember the part we saw in Papa's pocket the other day? That means it belongs to Mesoma. Oh! Oh! The funniest thing is that Papa has a way of designing everything in its favor. If you ask him now, he would defend himself completely. Ha! I just can't imagine what they were doing. That got her panties into Papa's pockets. Continue imagining. It's a lie, not your father. Let him come back. Papa is a very wonderful liar. Huh? One wouldn't have doubted the stories he cooked up the other day. God. Miss Omakwa. Here.
Look out. I'll get you a very expensive and foreign stuff. I can put it up. Whatever price it is, how much? You know I give gift for a living. Whatever you want, it's already yours. Yeah, I do Jackson. Baby, do you care for fruits? Do you care for fruits? Yeah. Where do we start from? Madam, shop is how much? 200. How many do you want?
All of them.
I want of apple. Okay, I want coconut. What of pineapple?
banana.
Banana, how much is it? And your granite, how much is it? You have to pack everything. 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 One is not the problem. One is not our problem. we spend money for a living. That is what we do for a living, spending money. I think they have two places here. Just make your choice. Make your selection. Whichever one you point is your own. Anyone you point is your own. That's your own. That's your own too. Look at that one. What of that one? It's already your own. What of that one here? It's your own too. You will have it extra. What of this one? You like it? It is yours already. Let's get two more inside. Let us keep more inside. Wait. Don't you like this one? You like this one? You like it? We will order this one, this color, other blue, other black, other green. Let us bring more inside.
Ogwejofo, my brother, how are you? Yes, and your family, how are they? Thank God, thank God. Yes, the work is in progress. And the contractor, my brother, he knows what he's doing. I am impressed, yes. You need to see the result, the outcome. No, I will find a way to take the picture and then I will send it to you. I'll do that. Only that the engineer requested for more cement. Yes, they need more bags of cement. So, forward money so that I can make it available to them, eh? Please. I will greet her. It's okay, I'll be expecting.
Oh, my husband, you are there. God has done it again.
What is it?
He has done it again.
You want me to dance with you?
He has done it.
What is it? What has God done again? You are obviously happy, my wife. I wish you would continue to be happy like this.
My husband, it will continue. What I saw today. My husband, I started dancing all the way from the market because God has answered my prayers.
God has answered your prayers.
Akwasiami.
Look at how foolish I am. I have even joined you to dance. I'm even partaker of the merriment without knowing why you are happy. Eh? Suppose my wife is rejoicing because of my failure. What has made you happy? Tell me.
My husband, how can I dance at your failures?
I was playing.
What I saw today, let me tell you. At the market today,
yes,
I saw our daughter, Annabelle, holding hand with her husband, buying foodstuffs together. They were buying foodstuffs. Short, I am so happy that peace has returned once again between both of them.
See, I am food again. So that is why you are rejoicing.
Is it not enough?
How is it enough? I thought you were dancing because government has paid you a pension that accrued. I didn't know you are dancing because of that John. Don't mind him with his games, please. Don't you know John is a player? What he's doing, and let us see the end.
My husband.
He's covering up something.
Chelugo Dubiko. Why are you sounding like this? Does it give you joy that these two people are always fighting? Understand yourself?
How can I be happy with their fighting? Well, except John has decided for a while to stop his wits and the tramadol. If not, I can bet you that John is playing games. John cannot fool me. He can't fool Ebere Okaro. If he thinks he's a guy, Papa guy, he can't fool me. Ebere guy is America. Let's wait and you will see what I'm telling you.
You see this joy that I feel today? Nobody will kill it.
Go ahead and rejoice, but I will be
cautious. What I
cautious.
saw today, peace and atago.
I am happy with you, but I will be cautious. Make my meals for me. I know John, I know his type. He's playing games. I will see what he's up to. Maybe little money has dropped into the account of our daughter. he comes back with his games.
I even thought she was rejoicing. Maybe government has paid her pension that accrued. Didn't know it is John. John, my foot.
Beauty. Serious. Hey. This is nice. Hey. Oh my God.
Don't drag clothes like that. Hold on. This is my husband's choice. John picked this one himself.
That means you always wear it.
Of course, yes. But wait, Annabelle, you mean my brother John bought all this for you? Like all these things? So everything I've been saying, you didn't understand. Hey.
You're so surprising.
Do you know what?
You're such a lucky girl. To be blessed with a lovely and caring husband like my brother John.
You know what? John is a very caring man. My wife. May God bless this union.
Amen. 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 Thank you. Thank you. See, God's time is the day.
You want to wear
You don't drag my shoes like that.
You want to wear it now.
Thank you. Please give me the dress. Bring
here.
She's my sister-in-law. She is my sister-in-law.
You can
stay
my sister.
God bear me witness that I must arrest you people. If you don't tell me who has been feeding with all this life with my name, eh? You see, today I will punish two of you. If you don't tell me his or her name. What kind of nonsense is this?
See, Papa.
Eh?
The rumor regarding your affairs with Mesoma the widow is not known to one person alone in this village. Everyone knows about it.
Yes, Papa. Then you must provide their names to me. You must provide. No. Kita. You must give me their names. No.
Look, Papa. You will have to start by arresting the elders and chiefs. Because I heard you and Mesoma were the topic of their discussion at the last meeting. Remind him. Where are you?
God is see. My Father in heaven, I thank you. God, I thank you. You know my hands are clean. I have nothing to do with this woman. God, let your thunder, your fire whoever has been using my name to gossip in this village. Hey! And as for you two, I don't have time for you people. Let me not abuse you people.
Are you sure this is not a false accusation? I don't know. With the way Papa is going about this, I really don't know what to believe anymore. Who is it even now? This might be a lie. Mom, don't conclude yet. Don't ask me. Don't know.
Jackson, I told you there is nothing absolutely wrong with their union.
I wish you were there. God, you need to see how these two lovers were playing love, hugging each other on the street. Oh, I was jealous. John has changed, totally changed. I said it. I knew it. It was clear to me now. So John has finally gone to meet his Idibia to tighten the knot of the juju they did on my sister. The love portion, so he has gone to renew it. No problem. We go see. Jackson, the level of your reasoning sometimes is always uncivilized. Guy, you need to upgrade though, before the whole world will start noticing your stupidity.
No problem. Thank you for the insult. At least you're my friend. If I'm uncivilized, at least you still get title.
A friend to a stupid person, what else? Stupid friend, uncivilized friend, how far?
Nonsense. Come to my house to tell me nonsense. The truth is, that boy has bewitched my sister.
That boy is using juju on my sister. Someone cannot fall in love like that. It's not to who? To that one. It's not ordinary. How can you be in love with that one? See, even if that he didn't finish the payment, so he's still owing. One goat and 10,000. He has not paid. And that one the person in love with. It's not possible. Can't you see what is happening? That boy is using juju on my sister. My sister is not falling in love. He's swimming in juju. She's swimming in juju. The point is, this same eyes you can't see with now, you will see it that day. This same mouth you're using to say rubbish about me, you will use this same mouth to say that, Jackson, you said it. You will see it in this village. Watch.
See, Jackson, I don't care to know whatever you are thinking or what you are saying about them. But you need to let John and Annabelle be. Allow them, I beg. You get food for house.
Which food? There is nothing in this house. So you hungry the bit before, now you can't insult me. You want chop. You insult your breadwinner. Go eat now. How far that girl?
So my little cousin is now a big girl, you know. You return and you won't even bother to check on me.
No, I came back very late yesterday night.
Wow.
But I visited the house this morning, but I was told that you were not around.
That is true. You know, I went to bank to fix one or two. So how is life in Ghana?
Well, everything is fine there.
But no problem, let's go to the house.
No, not now. Not now.
Hey, Amara.
Don't call me! Don't just call me again!
Please, go.
So this is what you do, right? Don't just call me!
Amara!
Let me be! Amara, wait. You will regret following me to my compound. Just let me be. I'm sick and tired of this relationship. I don't want to do it again.
Amara, wait.
I'm sick and tired of the whole thing. Just let me be. This relationship is over. I am tired of your faithfulness.
Amara.
What is it?
Amara, please.
I caught this fool here cheating. Why on earth should Jerry cheat on me? After everything, after being faithful.
Amara, please. It's not what you're thinking.
Listen and listen very good. It's better for you to leave now, else I'll do something crazy.
Amara, please.
Don't worry. It's obvious she's in a very bad state now. I'll talk to her.
I know she is, but I just need to talk to her.
Trust me, I'll talk to her for you. Come back for her later, I promise. She'll be fine.
I don't want to.
I'm giving you my word, I will. Trust me. Hmm? I'll talk to her, I promise you.
Please.
Amara! You guys are just unpredictable. Amara, come on me. Stop crying, okay? Amara, how sure are you that girl you saw is a girlfriend? That's none of my business. Yes! That is none of my business. It's your business. All I know is that this relationship is over. You needed to see them. See, listen. I should be a very good example to you when it comes to relationship issues like this. Mama, listen. What if that girl was just a friend? What if you misunderstood what you saw? Did you bother to ask him? I know you didn't ask. You see, you overreacted. What if he had seen you with probably your friend or something and then he's the one acting this way? Mommy. You won't understand. You won't understand what I saw. I saw everything clearly. You didn't say him kissing the girl, did you? Must they kiss? Your jealousy is just something else. Yeah, smile for me. I'm on me. I will smile because it's you. Smile now. So you're making shakara before because it's my wife. See, do you know what to do? No. Later, when you come. I'm not saying now, so stop looking at me like that. Okay. Later you go to Jerry and say sorry. For what? You overreacted. I'm not sure yet. That might be his second girlfriend. It's so not let's not conclude. Girlfriend, Amara. Okay, fine, no problem. Let's watch and see.
Wonders shall never cease. Do you know Annabelle has finally conquered the war against her marriage?
Favor, what have you heard about her again?
I was at Nkwedo market yesterday. On my way back, I saw these two lovers hugging, playing, and laughing with each other. From the look of things, it seems they went out for shopping. Everyone was shocked at such developments.
See, Favor, I don't believe such love. It's like a dew in the morning that fades away at sunrise.
Chinaza, I disagree with you. The kind of love I saw between these two yesterday does not seem to die or collapse even in the nearest century. That's if they will live to see the next century.
Well, see, let's not conclude with what we see today. Open your eyes and let's watch to the end.
That's all I can say.
I wish you were there to see them.
What would that
You wouldn't have been saying all these things you're saying. I wish you were there to see them.
I wish I were.
Good day now. How are you? How's your mother?
She's very fine.
You're welcome.
Please, ma'am, is Amara in the house?
Amara? Yes. I think so. Amara! Amara!
Ma? And what are you doing here?
Baby, take it easy.
Will you shut up?
It hasn't gotten to this.
How many times have I warned you to stay off this compound?
Amara, what is it? Why are you talking to him like that in my presence?
Mama, this guy here is a cheat. I caught him yesterday at the market with another woman. He is so unfaithful. I am no longer interested in this relationship.
But that is not why you should talk to him like that.
Tell her. Tell her.
And Giwa, are you a cheat?
No, now. You know I can't do that. She saw me with my cousin, Okeke's daughter that just returned from Ghana. Since then, I've been trying to explain to her, but she refused to give me a listening ear.
Just sit down. Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why would you shout at him like that? It's not nice. Now you see, the girl in question is his cousin. Go and apologize to him and make up with him. Yes, before you listen to another woman. Did the walk up? No, let me go and see my in-law.
No problem.
Yeah.
It's not like that. She's my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yes.
And you've not told me about her. Cousin again, Amaro.
You know all of them one after the other. She's just a cousin.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Okay. You know, love is nothing without jealousy.
Are you serious?
Yes.
But this kind of jealousness, you can kill.
Anything for the man that I love.
Anything.
I'm sorry, okay? Sorry for the way I acted.
Sorry. Pretty face is smiling now.
I'm sorry, okay?
Thank you. The tomatoes is how much? Just 200. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4 is how much? I'll take it for 600.
I hope it's awalawa. Awalawa.
No, it's
It's not
not awalawa.
awalawa. Yeah, okay.
You said 5? 550. No, it's 150. Why won't that price is 150? Will your sister buy it for 150?
Wait, hold on. So. You want to tell me that?
Wait. Wait.
So you want to tell me that? Keep quiet here. So you want to tell me that if it's your mother or your grandmother or your sister selling these tomatoes, you'll be pricing it 150. Is that what you want to tell me? Is that what you want to tell me?
Talk to us. I don't understand. Are you serious?
I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Tell us what happened.
Your brother John has killed his wife at the market.
Jesus! Somebody help! She's dead, though. Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Annabelle!
Hey! Somebody help!
My daughter!
Somebody help!
My daughter! What happened to her?
My daughter!
Conspiracy!
What happened to her?
Conspiracy!
She's dead!
Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? What do you mean? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? What do you mean? I'll shoot you! Where's your brother? Hey! Where's your brother? Where's your brother?
We don't know!
I will shoot! Where's your brother? You don't know! You don't know! Show me where you are, brother! Jackson. Can you imagine such brutality? Can you imagine such brutality? Eh? Hey! Annabelle, by now you must have learned your lesson. Eh? You'll be more cautious. I'll be telling you one lesson.
Wow. This is a very welcome development. The hospital has really upgraded. I will instruct them. I will beg them. I will tell them to prohibit those my stupid and useless in-laws from coming into this hospital.
See, let me know here, J again. Talk less of Mr. Ebere. You are shouting. Doctor, you won't understand. You won't understand. It is not good for her condition.
Yes!
I'm sorry, young man. Please, who are you and what are you looking for here?
My name is Comrade John. My beloved wife was involved in a ghastly accident this morning and she was rushed to this hospital for treatment. So I'm actually here to see my wife, my beloved wife.
We are sorry, young man. You can't see her.
What are you talking about? What arrant nonsense are you talking about? I told you that my beloved wife was rushed here and you are saying I can't see my beloved wife. I have to say, what rubbish?
It's okay. Doctor, I really want to say thank you so much for what you've done for my sister. We appreciate it. May God bless you for us. Thank you so much.
Okay, I've heard you.
I have to see my beloved wife.
Hold on.
You can't see her.
Calm down.
You can't see your wife. What are you talking about? I said I must see my beloved wife. I must see her.
Hold it. Hey! What noise is that?
I think those boys are at work.
Let them come. I hope you're good. You need to rest.
Hey! Come on!
Give me my belt! Give me my belt!
Mama!
That is it! Beat him up! Stand alone and go! Beat him up! That's it! Beat him up! Come back! See, if he comes back here, then he nonsense! If he comes back here, my wife, then he he's still running, no? He's still running, son. He's still running. No, come back now. You said you're a man. Hey, thank you. We'll come back. My wife. Please let him not cross here. Please, no, you can't try. Let us go. Come. Let us go. My beloved wife. This thing is international. My wife, my beloved wife. Come, my beloved.
You people should stop crying. You are crying as if she's dead. She's not dead, she's still alive. She needs some hours to regain consciousness. It's okay, please. One of you should go home and get her some food. Okay?
Alright, nurse.
Actually, nurse, my mother have gone home to get her food.
It's okay. She will be fine, okay?
Thank you so much.
you would have beaten him red and blue. You would have made sure that blood gushed out from his mouth.
At times, take actions. When at the right time,
You should have shot him. We should have shot him. I know why I did not shoot him. I know why I spared him. But next time, make sure you use your fist and make sure that blood gushes out from his mouth. Huh?
What is it? Nam, who offended your father?
Mama, by now, you should have known who has been disrupting the peace of this house. Who else?
When I told you that John was up to something, you misunderstood me. You said that I wasn't happy with my daughter having peace in her marriage.
I said all that. But both of you have not made any sense to me. Please tell me what is going on so that I will understand. You've not said anything. You are still speaking in parables. Nam, what is it? K4.
What do you want to hear? The beast has acted again. That idiot John beat up our daughter again at the market square.
Is it true?
Mama, if you see her present condition now, I don't think she can survive this one.
My daughter, where is she?
She is lying lifeless at the village.
And both of you are here.
No.
Wait, is that...
At this clinic. Mama, cheerful. Mama,
Please, I'm coming.
cheerful. But see, Jackson, next time make sure you break his teeth.
All I have to say that when you just give them their brand price.
Let him have his money. And besides, he didn't even finish the payment. He's still owing. Has he give you 10,000? No. The gods, no. Credit marriage. Let him have his until he kills my sister. I don't want to lose my sister. What is this?
You are making a point.
Let's go die for credit marriage.
You're making a point.
Let him have his
You're making a point.
bride price. What kind of problem is this? He didn't even finish the payment.
You're making a point.
10,000 is still owing.
You're making a point.
What is all this problem?
Dog will always mean a dog that looks around for any available feces to feed on. This has become John's hobby and he cannot stop.
I am short of words. I never believed these two lovers will have issue with each other again.
I told you to open your eyes and watch this very show to the end. Cases like this, death is always the judge.
God forbid. God forbid. Has she been discharged?
I don't know. And if I know, how does that concern me? Or have you forgotten she asked us not to come to our house?
I don't care about such acts. She can't stop me from visiting. See, Chinaza, we need to make this innocent girl understand why she cannot hold such love in high esteem.
You'll be the one that will tell her that by the time we visit next tomorrow. Because I'm not going to say anything. Since she has refused to listen to anybody.
I feel for her. I really feel for her.
Me too. See, that girl is very stubborn for my liking. Her parents have tried their possible best to make her understand, quit that rubbish called marriage, but she has refused to listen to them. I'm not happy about it. Seriously.
But she's still our friend at least.
Did I say she's not our friend?
We don't say things like that, but she's still our friend.
Hey! What are you two doing here? You two little witches! Can you remember? Oh, your wicked mother has sent you to find out if my daughter is dead.
Hey,
Mama! This will not be possible.
Hey, madam, what is it?
Doctor, thank God you are here.
You are shouting. This is hospital. You are shouting.
Doctor, my voice is down. Tell these two witches to leave this hospital. Their mission will not be possible again. I am here.
Okay, I've had you. Calm down. Just go in and see your daughter first.
Mom,
I have had you, madam. This is hospital. Go and see your daughter.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Tell them to leave. Else, nobody will have peace in this hospital.
I've had you, madam. I must commend the both of you for bearing this insult from her. I will advise both of you go home to avoid further casualties. This is hospital, you know. But be rest assured that she'll be discharged today.
It's all right, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Doctor. We appreciate your kind effort towards our sister-in-law. May God richly bless you.
You're welcome.
She's just like her son.
I thought I told you people to wait for me at the hospital. That will bring the food. What are you doing here?
Mama, are you trying to say that you're going to that hospital? Did anything happen?
Mama, if you see what happened today in the hospital, Annabe's mom asked us to leave the hospital. If not, she's going to kill us.
Mama, you needed to see what happened in that hospital today. Hey, that woman, she embarrassed us.
Seriously.
And I think it is not advisable for any of us to be in that hospital because seeing us aggravates her anger.
Sister, we insisted we stay, but the doctor asked us to leave.
Wait. Are you trying to say that I cannot go and see Annabelle?
Mama, not today. With what happened in that hospital, not today, Chacha. Mama, don't worry. Let me just go and keep the food. Please, let's go inside. Oh, Biko.
Seems like that woman is just as mad as her son.
Seriously. Let's go in, Biko. Let's go, Biko. So she embarrassed you people. Mama, hey.
Seriously.
At least she didn't touch you people.
No.
Mama, where is John? Where is my husband?
Annabelle, what is your problem? Annabelle, what is wrong with you? You're still calling the same man, the same John that beats you up every day in this condition. Mama, talk to your daughter. Talk to her.
Mama, where is John? I want to see my husband.
No, eat this food. Oh, please. I just bought this food for you because I could not cook when I heard the news. I just ran to the hospital. Eat. Thereafter, John will come to see you. Oh?
Mama, I'm not hungry. I want to see my husband. John, where are you?
This love passion is strong. One will never beat you.
Annabelle, this is not just fair. It is not fair. The man that put you under this condition, you are still calling after him. Neglecting your mother that would have fallen on her way, running to come and see you after all the pain and injury he has caused you. Roma, look at your brother. Look at me. You don't even think about us. Oh, John, no problem. Please eat.
Where is John?
Stop crying. Stop, just wipe your tears. He will soon come. Let's wait for him. He will come.
I can't continue keeping you in my house. You have to go.
Onoha, did you just ask me to leave your house?
Yes. I asked you to leave my house. How many times will you continue hitting this girl? Huh? This is not the first time, nor the second time. And people will say, show me your friend, and I will tell you who you are. I cannot beat a woman over my dead body. So you have to leave.
Onoha, but you are my friend. You are the only friend I have in this village. Aside you, I have no other. If you ask me out of your house, I have no other place to go to. Even if you want me to leave, at least not in a time like this. Because you know my heart is still bleeding. Give me some time to heal at least.
Hell no! No! I can't. I don't want to face Mr. Ebe's trouble. Not even now. Look, John, you need to understand that this is your responsibilities and you have to go and face it. You can't continue to stay here. Your problem is still there. So you have to go. Please.
Onoha, do you want me to kill myself? Would you rather see me dead or do you want to see me wandering on the streets? Is that what you want? Do you want to see me homeless? Onoha, I want to make you a promise once more. Just give me a little more time. I will change. I'm not actually so comfortable with myself that I'm having all these issues with my beloved wife.
No. I don't.
Onoha, you're my friend now. Do you want me to kill myself?
Look,
I'll allow you to stay here on one condition. You have to promise me one thing.
Whatever the condition is, I promise I will adhere by it. Whatever you want, I will do it.
That you're going anytime soon to go and face your responsibilities. Alright? To go and face your responsibilities, John. Annabelle is your wife. You need to go and bring her back.
What? Who is chasing you? Masoko is in our house.
Masoko in our house?
Now.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yes.
Come.
Are you sure he's here?
I am very, very sure. He's inside here.
You are sure he's here?
He's inside, I am sure.
Now you go there. Fast. Go. You. Hide yourself. Go.
Masoko, come out here. Masoko, I know you are here. Come out here or else, if I come inside there, you will be a dead man. You don't want to come out.
Yes.
That stuff seems better.
Yes. We'll still come back.
When next you cross here, I'll make sure I kill you. Yes. Idiot.
Stupid man. Hi, I don't mad. Hi. Next time, come again.
Mother, what a disgrace. What a disgrace. What a disgrace. As for Mazokoye,
Please.
I will make sure I kill him.
No. Please.
Let's go.
Come,
let's go.
Please, no, go back. Please, you will get on my car. What about John?
What is wrong with John? He beats his wife almost every day. I cannot condone such man, honestly. I just don't know why she's still in that marriage. If John were to be the only single guy on earth, my dear, I would rather remain single. Huh? What kind of a human being is that? I heard that he beats her up even in the marketplace.
Hey!
Papa.
Hi.
Come, listen. Papa,
Hi.
what is it? Who is after you?
I said it, oh. Hi.
Papa, please
Criminals.
tell us.
Criminals.
What really happened?
Criminals attacked me
Where, Papa?
on the roadside. They collected my money. Everything. Even my phone. Everything is gone.
Papa, sorry. They must surely pay for this. Sorry.
Amen.
This is wickedness.
Amen.
Hey, Papa, sorry.
Hi.
Help him. Let's bring him inside.
Adam.
Sorry, Papa.
Bosoka. Unijeno noka. Tuoma manisim.
This is what they
Easy, oh. Hey!
Sorry, Papa.
Hey!
Sorry.
Oh. Hey!
Beloved wife back.
You want to go home with your wife? Now listen to me. If I go in there and come out here to see you here, you will have yourself to blame. Leave my compound now.
My in-law, I do not want to sound disrespectful, but I'm not leaving this compound without my wife.
Said what? You can't live here without your wife?
Mama, please help me and talk to her.
Live here! Listen to me, young man. If you are temptation, I think I have to fall for you today.
Mama,
wait for
Mama,
me.
help me and talk to
Just
her.
wait.
I can't live here without my wife.
Go.
No.
Just go. Maybe sometimes you come back.
I want my beloved
I know
wife
my
back.
husband.
Mama, please help me and talk to him.
Go home.
I can't live
I
without
know my husband. Are you still here?